Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So the plan for today is to go and get cute. I want to go and pamper myself. All the work is done. Meat season, house clean, everything prep. Yeah, and that's about it. So I want to go and get cute. I want to do my nails and take care of myself. I really wanted to braid my hair, but that not gonna work out because in a them time here, no hairdresser not, well, let me not say no, but my hairdresser not do no appointment, I walk in. So first come, first serve. And you know me, that not gonna work for me. No, at the same situation with my nail tech, so I'm not even sure if it's gonna possible today. We can't go do something else if it don't work out, but that's the plan. That's what I want to do. I want to bring Jason along with me as well, just to get a little pedicure. You know, nothing too crazy, because I want to feel rejuvenated and going at the whole festivity. Babe, are you cold? No, seriously, babe.
Hold on there.
You cold?
When you wear your clothes, you see? You can't be seen, that's why I wear your clothes.
Get one hat for match your shorts. Because I know you're not going to have on that. I don't know if I didn't know, but I love turtle. But yeah, this is me and we're leaving out the house. Right now it's 11:58 and we're going to head out right now. So I'm going to make one stop already. What I never did plan to make today and collect one package. So I'm glad to get this before them close. But I'm back. We'll stop and grab a lunch from Juicy Beef Patty and just to get a soup. So this is a chicken and cheese patty. I don't know if you don't know, so them they sell chicken and cheese patty and box drink. The best combo. No disappoint.
I know, I laugh. Them say they are dispatched on the way to the office, but it's not here. However, I got an email yesterday say it's here. So, I'll wait.
Amen this?
Have to wait. Let me check see. I'll be around me again.
I have work to get done, guys. And that, that. If I didn't like my personal things, then I would have want them, but I would have.
Oh my baby, this is a box of it. This is what's it called. I can't believe somebody come and say come crash.
Okay. One.
So give me one.
Just take a little bite. A little piece. Just a little.
Yeah, no.
That's a little bite.
No one to say give me. What's the mean? He's up for me. No, you give me a piece of where do supper.
And just when the juice got out of that, rest the bubble gum. Hey guys, so we're finally there. At the nail tech. So it's Wilson Plaza, 16 Wilson Plaza and Darlington Drive. Trust me. And then if you come on, my girl, her name is Chrissy. Ask her Chrissy. She's really good. Well, I don't always see my nails and always ask mom to get it done and it neat and you see it for yourself. Hey guys, so I had to mute this part of the video because music that I playing in the background. I wanna know I'm gonna play about music. But you see how Jason skin off him teeth? I might enjoy him like a pedicure. But sorry, so I did have to mute that part of the video here because it was so priceless. It was so nice. Everybody did a chat and laugh and just to have a good time. It was so priceless. When you ever got a nail tech or the hairdresser and everybody just start talk like them know each other a long time? Or men, if you're there, got the barber shop and you and the man them just start reason. I wanted the moment there. It was so nice. But honestly, the lady at Angle Jason foot, listen, she's so good at this. Really good. Anyways, the reason why I have to mute it, music that I playing in the background. No, the owner gave me go ahead to pause the music or turn it down just to record. But I did that when I did just start record. And then I did turn it back up when I did stop. So now when I pick up the camera again, I never did want to turn it back down because I never want it to look like me abuse the situation. Somebody make it stay. I don't love inconvenience people. I want to notice I only have the camera on one side, other people up on the next side, you know. But me now go push up the camera in a nobody face. I always, you know, think about them stuff there. I don't do that. And everybody love when camera depend them. So going back to the music, never want inconvenience nobody. You know, music is a thing like this when you listen to it and somebody break your vibes by turning it down or just talk to you. You know, never want break nobody vibes saying this to say all of that. Nor abuse the situation. But yeah, Jason did I enjoy him like a pedicure. I think this is the first time he might get this done. Don't hold me to that, but I think that him tell me. So I'm just happy so I could, you know, make him get it done. I mean, that's something where I could have got up on him own. But nevertheless, I'm glad to say I could have make him, you know, see what it feel like. Now it was my turn to do my nails. And me I tell you, so the lady do her thing for my finger them. She's really good. But before the party or the video done, let me just take the time out to tell you guys, thank you so much for supporting me during Vlogmas. I really and truly appreciate it. All when I post the video them late, when I still come. I feel away, so I miss a couple days, but I'm just happy that I got a chance to give you guys Vlogmas because enough posts, I get tagging over Instagram where people are tag me with other creators where I say the best Vlogmas them are from the person there and me, and it made me feel so good. And next year, I'm going to try if I miss a day. But the reason why I miss the couple days I'm gonna miss because guys, for do the work, for record and for edit is so much work, and I still feel proud because I miss Vlogmas not because I never have no content, but because the video wasn't edited. You know, no excuses, but I'm not trying to justify either, but yeah. But next year it will be better. Thank you guys so much. Love, 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 love on us. Yo, listen, I want to just continue to support me because next year I'm going to do the right thing. Okay, let's get right into the video. I never get a chance to pick one out back yesterday because the nail tech was full. Music did I play, and although my girl did allow me to turn down the music when I record, I didn't want to always do that because I know me alone did I don't want inconvenience nobody. So I just gave you guys a time lapse of when I was getting my nails done. But this is it, a little close up. It's so cute and classy. You know me is an almond girl, you know, so no other shape but almond. Anyways, I'm dressed and ready to leave the house to go by mommy's house because she got bake and I go help her. Hopefully she not finish bake because my mother, once you not on time or anything, she gonna get what she get done. I never regret buying this headband wig. People think I'm a real hair, but it's not my real. Well, you guys know that. It's just coming so handy, especially now because I didn't want to get my hair done. But I feel good, I feel clean, I feel rejuvenated, I feel happy, I feel bubbly, and I just love this time. So guys, I reach a mommy, and mommy finish bake. I tell you, I tell you, mommy not wait for nobody once she work. I work, she work. But all of them here on mine, she share it off. Every family member get one. So I guess I gotta take my one. And me and Jason alone, guys. Remember, I'm not a host. Because I know so one cut on there. Mommy, where one cut? That I'm a taster. I taste from that. But yeah, everybody I get one. Oh, so my little taste there. So I'm going to tell you now what it's giving. Yeah. I know so this nobody going to disappoint because my mother be a good fruit cake. Comment and pudding. After true, she be nice. Comment and tell me where you watch the video from because I think Ghanaians call this black cake. So fruit cake, black cake, Christmas cake, whatever you call it. If my teeth look black, sorry. Hey guys, so sorry for disturbing, and that's not what I meant to ask. What I should have asked was, what do you call that cake in your country? So just an example, some Guyanese call it black cake. I normally call it fruit cake or Christmas cake because it is fruit cake, but I'm just curious to know what wanna call it because you know every country have a different name for something. Mommy, when me do up here, hear me now. Would mind if you done bake already. But if I'm not done, I'm going to help you. Come here, I record and show now. I can't make you know my mother's secret recipe. This nice and moist, I don't lie. Just going to collect something, but I get one little gift for me and him from Mommy. Look what my mother handwriting. Mommy writing, what is name? Calligraphy. Okay, what you want for your Christmas?
iPad.
What?
iPad.
Next Christmas.
That's expensive.
Next Christmas I can get that, yeah?
7,000.
One time I have money I can get one iPad. And guys, if you see me miss days in a vlogmas, I promise you, it's not because I never record, I never the content, I edit the video and I edit. Because some of them video here take long for edit. So that's why I miss vlogmas. But you know, next year again I'll do better. I want to appreciate some still the vlogmas. So the kids them get a little sparkling wine. And we are going to open it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Period.
Period.
You see, I can't copy because you're half meal then. But it's not no half meal.
Oh, this gone.
Wait!
Oh. Oh.
Woo! Really? Really? Alright, come girls, get your wine glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop.
That's enough.
Wait, not yet.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna cheers with. So this is mine. Right?
Cheers.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Cheers to prosperity. Good.
This tastes good. Me tasted before.
You could have said that before. It could have been a surprise.